Welcome to the Site360 site management platform. What we're going to do today, we're going to open the app and check in. And the first thing we're going to do is which company do you work for? I have a number of companies listed here. I'm going to use my primary company. And now we're going to search for a geolocation pin. There's no QR code to scan. And we have a number of sites here. So first we'll check into this first NIC test site. And we've got the emergency procedures for the site. So these are fully customizable based on the site requirements. But as you can see, it can cover quite a few different areas to make sure that any visitor coming onto site is fully aware of the potential hazards on site and how to deal with them. We accept and continue. Next, we have a condition of entry, and that while on site today, there's some directions, and we use a few icons there to communicate things that are happening on site. Next, we have reason for visit. There's a number of different reasons. For this call, we're going to select installation services and site manager. We press continue and it comes up with a safety checklist based on the fact I said I'm going to be doing installation. This is customizable to the reason for visit. So we'll answer the questions correctly. And these questions can be developed on the run and can be changed at any time. We submit and continue. Next, we have an exclusion zone information. If there's any areas on that site that should be take extreme caution with, this explains those. Next thing, we checked into site and we get a pop-up and explains to me that there's information about my business and it's available to me in the documents tab within the app. Now I'm getting my safety alerts, and once I've read my safety alert, I acknowledge them and I can acknowledge the next one. Now I'm checked into the site. If I press the More tab, I can actually find the evacuation diagram. So this will be delivered to the user in the event of an evacuation of the site. We also have documents, and we have hazardous material register. We have a restricted access register and our welcome to NIC group information, everything you need to know about working for NIC while you're on that site. Next, we have forms. So there's a number of different examples of forms here. So what we might do today is look at the incident report, and then this takes us through injury details, contact number, employment contract details, nature of the incident. So all of that can be captured and it's fully customizable to the client. And you can see we have a number of different reports down here. Tasks. If there was any task allocated to an individual on site, and tasks can be allocated by company level or individual level, those tasks would appear here. And then they get completed like you would complete a form, and then they're submitted. We click back on home, and when we're checking out, we either press the checkout button or we walk through the external geofence, which will automatically check the visitor out from the site.